made in the past year have made me more money than I've made in any previous year, only because the more money I make, the more level of clarity I am to think and make brilliant decisions for my future. So it's a snowball effect in a positive way. You make money that allows you to step back and critically think and then make decisions. And then the more money you make, the further you can take a step back, and you start to build this snowball of effect of building wealth in less time, with less of your time resource, right? So, and that's why I love getting to financial independence faster, because if your expenses are 4K a month and you find a way to cover that 4K a month with these assets, now you can sit back and think, well, how can I make 8K a month passively? How can I make 16K a month passively? How can I make 24K a month passively? And and you start to build not just financial independence, but like it's beyond that. It's exponentially beyond that, because now you're making way more money than you could even try to spend, and then you just get a whole new level of clarity and freedom.